ಆಭರಣ ಪ್ರಿಯರ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸ್ಥಳವಾದಂತಹ ಜೋಯಾಲುಕಾಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಕಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಯಾಲುಕಾಸ್ನ ಎರಡನೇ ಮಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ನಟಿ ನೇಹಾ ಸಕ್ಸೇನಾ, ಮಾಜಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಕೆ.ಸಿ. ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಜೋಯಾಲುಕಾಸ್ ಸಮೂಹದ MD ಜೋಯಾಲುಕಾಸ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಜುಲೈ 14ರವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನ, ವಜ್ರ, ಹರಳು, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇತರೆ ಆಭರಣಗಳ ಕಸೂತಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ 50% ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಘೋಷಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
This is the largest jewelry showroom in Kamanahalli, and for us it's 18 showrooms all over Karnataka, and we have 98 showrooms all over India, plus another 160 worldwide. So please do come see the collection. As introductory offer, we are doing flat 50% off on the making charges of all jewelry items. So I hope all of you do pay a visit and see the vivid collection that we have here. Right behind me we have our Pride collection that's mostly compressed of diamonds, white diamonds, and we have the new Haldi collection as well. So please do visit us, and then hopefully all of you make a purchase. Thank you.
Today I'm standing in one of the largest and biggest showroom in Kamanahalli, that is Joyalukas, one of the finest jewelry brand, and I know ladies, they love jewelry because jewelry is like ladies' best friend. So that's why you're seeing me here. So they have got wonderful collection, gold and diamonds, a great diamond collection, great gold, even the bridal. I would like to show you guys someone. Can I get one?
Yeah.
They have, as he mentioned, that they already have 98 showrooms within India and 160 plus globally. So they are able to expand this much because of the brand quality. They say if you have the quality, then only the demand will rise. So that is why. So they are running a very, very great offer. Why don't you guys drop in and explore the amazing collection what they have, and make your wife, girlfriend, mother happy with a great collection.